Z57 to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles on this 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. 3LT package, also Z51 package. Night Race Blue, metallic would be the color of this car. Brownstone interior with the suede package and also Grand Touring seats, so awesome combination. You won't see a lot of these out there. 6.2 liter underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. Of course, AC blows cold, and many, many more options with the 3LT package. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video and you will go right to the website where you can check out the still pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. You can see the slotted rotors that you can have on the Z51 package. Chrome wheels. Also a one-owner car. A little over 55,000 miles is all in this one. There you can see the suede package. The brownstone interior. 7-speed manual transmission paired up with that 6.2 liter. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Adult owned and driven, well maintained. Does have the transparent, kind of smoke transparent removable top. I have in the rear cargo storage area, and you'll be able to see this car pictured with it in and with it out. There'll also be pictures of that cargo area, the underside, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Again, it's going to take you right to our website. Take your time, look through the pictures. Again, one owner car, clean Carfax. Night Race Blue metallic with the brownstone interior. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. It's one of those that has two sets of floor mats. There were floor mats over the floor mats, if you will. Those will be included with the purchase of this vehicle. And it also has the charger that is in the rear cubby. You do have that. You'll see that in the still pictures. Of course, memory seating and all your modern amenities that you're going to get with the heads-up display, steering wheel controls, driver's information center, mode select for your suspension. Of course, electronic dual climate control, heated and ventilated seats. Speaking of which, look at the condition. Very nice condition. Again, well taken care of. These would be the Grand Touring seats, I believe it is. Let's check the exact miles. Start it up. Let's hear it run. I have not noticed any modifications on this car. All right. 55,000, you see that? 55,137.
So we're ready for the cooler fall weather. Now is the time to call home.
Take a look at the dash. Again, heads-up display. Slip around to the back seat, hear it run. And we'll also take a peek underneath the hood so you can see the engine bay. Sounds as you'd expect a stock 2014 Vette. Sound again, 455 horsepower, 6.2 liter. Also be 460 pound-feet of torque. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop this hood. We'll check out the engine bay and wrap this video up. There you get a shot underneath the hood. And this will all be in the still pictures too. You can take your time looking through the still pictures. Clean Carfax, one owner. Well maintained. What you'd expect, nothing to hide on this one. There's that 6.2 liter engine bay. Of course, the dry sump system. Z51 package, remember. And then also 3LT, so very nicely equipped car. And a great combination.
Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette. Go for a little drive. make it easy and say everything works on this car. It's a 6-speed manual. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a 7-speed manual. Be in the 60s today in Minnesota. Chances of rain. There's your radio, sounds really good. This road is fairly rough, and I can hear some tire noise. Other than that, really nice. Goes perfectly straight. Like you can imagine perfectly. Just a great car. GoPro, stop capturing.
2014 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.